In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove items from your cart on Wayfair. While shopping on Wayfair can be an exciting experience, there might be times when you add something to your cart and then decide, for one reason or another, that you don't actually want to purchase it. Whether you've changed your mind about the item or just need to adjust your shopping list, removing items from your cart is a simple and straightforward process. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Wayfair website, which can be found at www.wayfair.com. Make sure you type that correctly or simply use a bookmark if it's a site you visit often. Once the page loads, take a moment to log in if you haven't already, as removing items from the cart typically requires you to be signed into your account. Having your login credentials handy will streamline this process. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. This is where you'll find the cart icon, which typically looks like a small shopping cart. Click on this icon to proceed, and it will show you a brief overview of your shopping cart's contents. This is just a quick view, so from here, you should click on the option that says Review Full Cart. This selection will show all your items in detail, giving you a comprehensive look at what you've selected to buy. Now, on the full cart page, you'll see an itemized list of everything you're planning to purchase. For each item, there will be various options and information displayed, like the quantity, price, and of course, the all-important Remove button. Navigate to the specific item or items you'd like to remove. Next to each item, you'll notice a button or link labeled Remove or a small trash can icon. This is what you need to click to remove that particular item from your cart. Give it a click and Wayfair will update your cart right away, removing the item you've selected. Double check your cart to ensure that the unwanted item has indeed been removed. It's a good practice to review the remaining items in your cart to confirm everything is as you want it. Once you're satisfied, you can either continue shopping or proceed to checkout with your curated selection. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to manage your cart on Wayfair. Remember, it's always okay to change your mind while shopping online, and these steps ensure that updating your cart is as seamless as possible. Thanks for joining me today, and happy shopping.